place for me to say that this Kitui, this Seku and this Kitui has given us a very good opportunity. However, we know recently there was a small but quite consequential security issue here when we lost some people in this county. I think just slightly over a week ago, and we are taking that incident extremely seriously as government. And I think it's a good place for me when I'm in Kitui to say that what happened recently in this county is a serious infraction on our stability as a nation. We are taking every effort to make sure that those who are responsible for the death of quite a number of Kenyans, we take action. But more importantly, we want to make sure that we don't have incidents like this reoccurring, because they push us backwards. After we've taken some steps forward, this kind of happenings push us backwards. And therefore, on behalf of the government of Kenya and on behalf of our security managers, I want to give the assurance to the people of Kitui that we will return normalcy and sustain normalcy. It is barbaric for citizens to kill one another for whatever reason, for people just to wake up and take weapons and go and use those weapons on their own fellow countrymen and women. It is barbaric. It pushes us backwards. And therefore we are taking that very seriously, and already some progress has been made in terms of accountability, but we will not be satisfied until finally we get rid of ourselves. We get rid of this kind of problems from our midst. And I know, as a former security minister, I've been in this part of the country many times. We've had similar incidents. The current one was between residents of Tana River and residents of Kitui. We've had similar incidents between residents of Kitui and the recent one was Garissa, Kitui, but we have also had incidents between Tana River and Kitui and many other parts of our country that still have a tenuous security environment, which we must firm up and make sure that our country is safe, it is secure, it gives dignity to people, and when they wake up in the morning, they don't expect that another citizen will come from nowhere with a gun, with a knife, and end their life in a brutal manner. So I thought I should mention that while I'm here, but that is what brought us here.